Hi, welcome to this video for the car consultants. Today we're looking at the VAG 1715 electrical tester, part of the VAG diagnostics range. It's on the 1700 VAG 1700 trolley, which connects it and networks the item so you can then use the printer. So, first of all, here we have the positive probe and the negative probe, and we've got voltage along the top and amps along the bottom. So if we were to pull out the cables, we can see the connecting the positive probe to the positive terminal of the battery and the negative terminal of the battery. And then if we have a look at the screen down on the 1715, we can see we've got 12.90 volts. Take the terminal off. It goes to 0, back on, and if I reconnect it, we get 12.90 volts again. So that's how you use the voltage function on here. And we've got the retractable cables on here, just pushing the button and they retract in nice and neatly, and same for the positive terminal. And then we've got the amp clamp down on here, so we've got the ampere reading along the bottom row. We pull it up and clamp it around the main battery terminal, and we can see we're getting, if we clamp that on, a reading of 2.1 amps coming off of there. So what we can do is, if we were to connect on, for example, to the battery, and have that connected, we can see we've got the 12.89 volts. And if we press the print button down here, transferring data to VAG 1551, and then the VAG 1551 prints off if it's connected via the network cables, and then we get a little print off and we can see exactly what readings we've taken. So we've got the amps and the volts.